Good day, children. Sairam. We have studied adverbs in our last class. In today's class, we will learn pronouns. Okay, to know what are pronouns, first let us read the following sentences. Okay, now let's read the sentences, children. Smita is the daughter of a teacher. She is a doctor. She does her work well. All her friends like her. I'll repeat the sentence again. Smita is the daughter of a teacher. She is a doctor. She does her work well. All her friends like her. Okay, now in the sentence, children, the underlined word is a noun. Which is the underlined word here, children? Yes, Smita is the underlined word. So, Smita is a noun. Now, instead of using the name Smita again and again, in the subsequent sentences, it is replaced by she and her, which is highlighted in red. Now, these are called pronouns as they are used instead of nouns. Okay, so she, her, and her are pronouns. Okay, so what are pronouns, children? Pronouns are those words which are used instead of nouns. Okay, now let's see the different kinds of pronouns. Okay, now there are 4 kinds of pronouns that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so the different kinds of pronouns are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Okay, now the first kind of pronoun that we are going to learn is the personal pronoun. Now, personal pronouns can be of the first person, second person, or third person. Okay, for that, now let's to know what personal pronouns are. Let's read the following sentences. Okay, so now let's read the following sentences so we get to know the personal pronouns better. Okay, first sentence, I eat my food. I eat my food. Second sentence, we eat our food. We eat our food. Third sentence, the parrot is mine. The parrot is mine. Fourth sentence, the parrot is ours. The parrot is ours. The parrot loves me. Fifth sentence, the parrot loves me. Sixth sentence, the parrot loves us. Okay, now in these sentences, children, the highlighted words I, my, we, mine, ours, me, and us are all personal pronouns, and they are pronouns of the first person. That is, they stand for the person or persons speaking. Okay. Now let's read the following sentences. now we go to the second person. Okay, so for to know the second person of the personal pronoun, let's read the following sentences. First sentence, you have a dog. Second sentence, the dog is yours. Third sentence, the dog likes you. I repeat, first sentence, you have a dog. Second sentence, the dog is yours. Third sentence, the dog likes you. Okay, so now here also in these sentences, children, the highlighted words you, yours and you are pronouns of the second person. That is, they stand for the person or persons spoken to. Okay, so this is second person personal pronoun. Okay, now we go to the third person. So for that we will read the following sentences. In these, okay, first sentence, he has a dog. He has a dog. Second sentence, the dog is his. The dog is his. Third sentence, the dog loves him. The dog loves him. Fourth sentence, they have a dog. They have a dog. Fifth sentence, the dog is theirs. The dog is theirs. Sixth sentence, the dog likes them. The dog likes them. Okay, now in these sentences, children, the highlighted words he, his, him, they, theirs, them are pronouns of the third person because they stand for the person or thing spoken of. Okay? Okay, now children, pronouns are singular or plural. They are male, female or neutral depending on the nouns they replace. Okay, so let's understand this with the table. Okay, so now here's the table, children. We have first person in the first column, second column we have second person, and in the third column we have third person. So these are all personal pronouns. Okay, so now what is first person? First person means the speaker, the person who is speaking. Okay, so first person is the speaker. Then second person. Second person means the person having spoken to, the person to whom you are speaking to. Okay, that is the second person. And the third person is the person being spoken about. Means the person who is not present over there but you are speaking about him. So that is the third person. So the first person personal pronouns are I, me, my and mine. These are singular. And we, us, our, ours are plural. Then second person, the personal pronouns are you, your and yours. And there's a note over here. You, that is you, is both singular and plural. Then third person, he, his, him, she, her, hers, they and them. These are all third person. And theirs, it or its is plural. Now there's an important note, children. What is written for subject of a sentence? Okay, the subject, for subject of the sentence we use I, you, we, he, she, it or they. Whereas for the object of the sentence we use me, us, you, him, her, it or them. Okay, now let's solve one activity. What you have to do here is select the correct pronouns. Okay, now the first sentence, dash will have a game of football after dash have lunch. So what do you think will come over here? They will have a game of football after they have lunch. Second, dash went to the station to see dash off. Dash went to the station to see dash off. Okay, so here the answer will be we went to the station to see them off. Third, dash read dash latest poem to dash. So here first will be she read her latest poem to them. Okay, now next, my name is Aryan dash am a boy. My name is Aryan dash am a boy. So here the answer will be I. My name is Aryan. I am a boy. Fifth sentence, the teacher spoke to dash and dash before dash went home. Okay, so here the answer will be the teacher spoke to her and me before we went home. The teacher spoke to her and me before we went home. Okay, children, that's all for today. Revise what we have studied today. Next class, we will learn some more kinds of pronouns. Till then, revise whatever is learned today thoroughly. Thank you.